on to your money and making sure you have the right insurance for your car. We are talking today, though, about classic cars, like the ones you bring out for special occasions or car shows. Our financial advisor, Elaine Beadle, is here to talk to us about this, and this is such a fun topic, especially this time of year when folks do want to bring out those fancy cars.
Absolutely. The month of May in Indianapolis, it's all about cars. And so collector cars or classic cars and antique cars are really the two classifications for that. And if you have a classic car, it's usually 10 years or older.
Okay.
And it represents some kind of significant value, maybe due to its limited production. So think pace car replica.
Right.
Or historical interest or significance, like a famous person drove it or was in a popular movie, or workmanship. In other words, it was created by a specialty builder that you have. And then the antiques, it usually means the car is at least 25 years old. Now, some insurance companies say that's 50 years and older, so you have to kind of look at the calculation.
And we've been chatting, too, of course, about all the beautiful old cars at the Hall of Fame Museum at the Speedway. Those are just stunning. So what kind of insurance does this qualify for? What do you get specially here?
Right. Instead of your general auto insurance car, specialty insurance gives you a little bit more of an opportunity to tailor the policy. You know, the car that we drive every day, in particular, if you know the make, the model, the year, the mileage, you can go to the Kelley Blue Book and find out exactly what it's worth. Well, you can't do that with a collector car. And so what you do, the benefit is the owner and the insurance company actually mutually agree on the value that they're going to insure the vehicle for. Now remember, the higher the value, the higher the premium, so you got to be careful about that. But some other things that get thrown into that would be the idea that limited mileage. In other words, what is your actual usage of the car? If it's going to be display only, so it's never going to be driven, or if it's going to be in parades only, or maybe it's going to be unlimited driving. Well, all of that can be kind of tailored to the car, as well as things like roadside assistance. You'd probably rather have a flatbed truck come and get that car versus have it pulled off by a wrecker. And even things that are memorabilia that's associated with the car, or the special tools you need, or the other parts you have. You can build that all into your package. So again, that's why a specialty car insurance can be very helpful.
Okay, so for folks watching thinking, yeah, I probably should have this, but where do I get it?
Yeah, there are specialty car insurers. Like Grundy and Haggerty are two names of insurance companies, and that's all they do, is insure specialty cars. So they know the details, they understand the uniqueness of it, and they can package that policy to meet your needs and reflect what the car really does. So it's really a better option. You can go to your regular auto company and they may have some kind of coverage, but chances are it won't be as tailored, and it may even cost you more than what you would do through the specialty insurance company.
Yeah, you definitely want the specialist in this case. Elaine Beadle, thank you so much for joining us and giving us your advice. You can always get all of her information on Elaine's blog. We do have a link to it at WTHR.com.